All right, tell us what's happening here.
Hi everyone, welcome to Desert Wind Middle School Blended Learning. This is our Future Cities Judging Night. Our kids have been working since September on creating a city of the future that has to do with amazing public spaces for all of their citizens in their city.
So our kids had to work on an essay, they had to work on SimCity game model, then they had to work on the actual model to portray a city 150 years in the future, displaying and showcasing their public spaces that they want to have in their city that are sustainable, fun, make the city healthy, less crime, all the stuff that we want in a great city.
Okay, and where do they go from here?
Well, the top 8 cities will head to Arizona State University on January 28th, where they will compete with other cities around Arizona. We win that competition, then we will be sending one of our cities to Washington, D.C.
And has that happened before for MUSD?
For MUSD, yes, absolutely. Maricopa Wells has sent a team over to Washington 2 years ago, and we're super excited to be with Maricopa Wells and working with them to see if we can send yet another one to Washington this year.
Awesome. Hey guys.